If you got a Figma landing page sitting there unfinished, the blocker is rarely design. It's the setup, responsiveness, deployment, and domain stuff you don't want to touch. Today, I'll show you my exact Claude Code flow to take a Figma landing page to a live website without relying on an engineer. This is for most static sites like landing pages, portfolios, and case studies, not complex backends. Let's go straight into the demo. All right, if you type bearliu.com, which is my domain, and hit enter, this is my landing page. This is my fractional design partner business. And simply on this landing page, you can see what I offer, what's the problem I solve, and what other examples that I provide that you can have a look. And also, if you are interested, you can see my examples, the case I'm working on right now, and the design I used to work before, and also my price, my offer. And if you're interested, just hit the call to action to book a quick call with me. And also, of course, you can find my social media connection or simply send me an email. And this website is responsive. So if you zoom it into mobile size, it's also fit on mobile stage perfectly. And it's even supports tablet as well. And yeah, it's quite simple, but I still managed to build it with just half a day without any coding experience. And by the way, this is my first time using AI to support me. And the tool I used is Claude Code. So if you're not interested in Claude Code, have a look on their landing page. This is their landing page on Claude.ai, and it introduces what this tool is all about. So basically, it's a terminal at the moment, and you can use natural language to describe your needs or your requirements, and it can help you to shape your ideas, whatever you want. So currently, you basically can use your Claude Pro membership to use it, and there are some credits for each cycle, like half a day or I can't remember how exactly the cycle is. Pretty much it's like a few shots for each time, and you can use it. And also you can get some higher tier plans for that. But for designers, the scary thing is that if you open a terminal like this, and it's always scary, right? But what is good is that Claude Code enable you to simply use natural language. And let me enter it. So now I'm in Claude. Take a few minutes to load. So you basically can use natural language, ask anything. So for now, I just add, what did I do on my FDP website? And it can just check the memory and answers you. And for this website, I also use this type of natural language to help me to build it. So my step was quite easy, quite simple. Yeah, you see, it's answered me like, okay, what did I do? What did it do? And it's answers me in my native language, in Chinese. And yeah, basically those are the 8 phases. I can simply use this as a guidance, as a guide to walk you through. So what did I do on building this website? So the first thing I did, by the way, I already got the design ready in Figma. So this is my Figma design landing page. It's just a static landing page design, just one desktop version without any variations, like mobile hasn't been done, animation hasn't been done. So basically just a simple landing page. But shipping it online, it still takes a few steps. So the first step, what I want to do is to connect Claude Code to Figma MCP so that Claude Code can understand what the design I want and can match exactly how it looks. So it's simple. I just ask it, hey, here's my Figma design link, and please connect the MCP and get all the design things. And it called design token, such as color, typography, spacing, and everything. And it's recognized all the sections from this part. And the second step is just set up the environment. Set up the environment as Next.js and Tailwind. So those are the things is settled. And then start to implement it step by step. But the very first step, which is the plan for everything. So as I'm working on this project for my first one, I simply follow the tips that if you hit Shift and tap twice, there's a name called plan mode on. And from here, you just ask what you want to do. Yeah, more details, the better. And Claude Code will plan for it without execution. So it will plan, okay, what's the system, what's the platform, what's the framework I want to use, what's the first step, what's the second step. And if you're happy about the whole plan, and just start to execute. So that's the first step. And after that, connect to Figma MCP and build the project. And then it gets all the local version, like on desktop, get it completed. So yeah, it works quite good because it's only take me, I think it's 20 minutes to get all these steps, and then I can review it. And it seems to me that 90% of the design has been transformed into like a clickable into a website locally. So that's scary and that's exciting as well. And then I took a break during that day, had my lunch and do other things. And then in the afternoon, I asked it to start to work on the mobile version, like the responsive stuff. And it's take a while because there are some things that haven't been quite fit. So now it looks all good, but the first version is actually the hero image. When I use AI to work on the mobile version, and it's always not cropping quite right. Like now this one is the final result I'm looking for. So I would leave some space to show the title, but myself will be not hidden and not cropped from the image. But during that step, AI just back and forth work on this simple ask and haven't get things right, and used up all my tokens during that short period. And then I just decide, okay, let's stop it. I will just simply open Figma and get you like this version and get it crafted manually like this. Yeah, simply, and now I'm just doing an example and export the image and ask it to replace, and only for mobile. And it works all good after that. So this is a good lesson I learned. You don't need to trust, you don't need to build all the things on AI 100%. Some steps is still, you can do it manually, and maybe that's the best way, and just do it with that. And after that, yeah, it's just start to debug things and detect things. And it feels quite natural for me, because when I saw something's not right on my desktop, like when I saw this is not right, it's always not aligned with the design. I simply just take a screenshot here, and then on Claude, we can press Ctrl and V to paste an image and ask it, okay, this part doesn't look right, and the spacing is wrong, so please check the original design and fix it. And it's simply like you are talking to a developer sitting next to you, and you are working on the same design together. And that feels quite natural for me as a designer. So this part feels okay. I just ask, screenshot, ask, or sometimes I just need put an arrow, like annotate it, and then ask AI to fix it. Very smooth. And then I ask it to upload everything to GitHub and connect to Vercel, which is the platform I use to host website, and then work on the animation step by step, and then connect to my domain, and then it's done. So yeah, everything is very simple, all using natural language here on Claude. And even after completed, I ask it to upload to GitHub and write a README, and everything is locally here that I can review on this part. So I got a plan document here. Sorry, I will need to open it on this one. So I got this plan. This is the plan Claude Code did for me before I work on things, and you can see it's also checked each step once it's ready. And also I got the README, which is also very nice, that I can see what did we do and what are the things we'll need for the iteration, for the in the future if I want to upload something, how to make it right. Yeah, and it's even write a story for me, write a blog for me, so that I can simply use it to post on my blog that this is what we do as a AI co-pilot with myself to launch this website. So yeah, that's the whole steps. That's all the steps that I launched on this website. So here's the 3 takeaways. Keep the scope tight so you're shipping a landing page, not building a product. Use plan mode first, then iterate with small visual checks against the design. And know the boundary. When AI loops on subjective visuals like hero cropping, you'll move faster by making a clear design decision and supplying the right assets. I'll see you in the next video. Ciao!